Hello artists, my name's Helena, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make reusable bags out of old t-shirts. So the main material we're using are t-shirts. This one here is just a plain white t-shirt that's got some minor stains on it. So I'm going to start with this one, and then once I've got the hang of it, I am going to go on to my really cool printed tie-dye kitty shirt, and then make this into a really cool bag. So the other materials besides the t-shirts we need are going to be just simply a pen and scissors. And these materials are going to help us turn these old t-shirts into very cool reusable bags that we can use for groceries or whatever we'd like to use them for, maybe putting our toys in them, whatever you want. And they're really cool. Alright, let's get started.
The first step is to take our t-shirt and turn it inside out and put it nice and flat without wrinkles on our working surface. If you don't have a large table to work on, that's totally fine. The ground works perfectly too. Now I'm going to begin working on the straps for our bag. I'm going to leave like a rough 3 inches in between the cut of the sleeve and the collar. That way I have a pretty thick strap for my bag, and it'll be more durable and hold more weight. Now I will draw my line along the sleeve of where to cut. It is easy if you just cut along the seam of the sleeve. Otherwise you can make a mark just like I did, indicating where to cut. Make sure to cut off both sleeves, and then we can move on to cutting the center of the bag, or opening of the bag. So next, where we cut is around the collar. So I like to have a big swooping area, just like I'm pointing out here. And that way I can fit a lot of larger items into my bag. As you can see, I have the straps for my bag and the opening to the bag as well. At the bottom of the shirt, cut slits about 1 inch apart through both layers of the fabric. It's important to keep the cuts aligned for the next step. The next step, we tie each of the strips together that match up from the front and the back layers. That way we're creating a bottom of the bag that is sealed, and things like our items or toys or whatever we're putting in the bag can't fall out. Now that I tied each little loose end, I can turn this inside out, and I have my new reusable bag. Now I'm going to use my cool cat tie-dye t-shirt to make one more reusable bag. This is a super fun, really simple craft that you can do at home with old t-shirts, and you get this super fun, really cool reusable bag that you can use for groceries or a beach bag or whatever you'd like.